Is the of SC411 is of the ThunderJet's greatest hits is the 57 Bel Air, and I like this one the best, the black one, and there is also a blue one, okay, or a turquoise. And the 57 Bel Airs is a very popular chassis. Auto World or Aurora never made a 57 Bel Air, but Aurora started to make them in about 20 years ago. Okay, so Aurora never made the 57 Bel Air, but Aurora did. And this is just a beautiful, nice gloss black with blue flames. Just a beautiful car. Great car to add to your collection. You can actually remove the roof here and put a scoop on it if you want. There are aftermarket scoops available if you want to do that. But the 57 Bel Air is probably the most popular body. It's just a beautiful body. Very popular body in the 1950s. Probably the most popular body next to the 55 Bel Air. The 57 Bel Air was just absolute beauty on incarnate. It was beauty in creation and in elegance and in beauty. Just a beautiful car, the 57 Bel Air. The 55 Bel Air was also awesome, but the 57, it really changed with the rear fins on it because they started to do all these weird fins, and they copied this actually from the Belvedere. Just beautiful car. And there's two styles. You have the blue one or the black one and the turquoise. And that is this one right here. The turquoise, same kind of almost like, what do you call it? The Lowriders. It's really a lowrider type car. And this is the third car of SC411, which is the greatest hits. The greatest hits. And over here, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and we will, yeah, I said thumbs up too, right? Hit the notification bell button. That means more people are watching. You see you later.